Hello friends, good morning. I am Sri M.B. Gaddi, working as a lecturer in Sushi Polytechnic. Today I am going to discuss regarding what is digital communication. Nowadays, digital communication plays a very important role compared to any other communication. First point, digital communication is any message passed through digital devices. That is, the information, whatever the information can be, it can be converted into digital and it is transmitted. Digital communication can be easy and quick and safe use. Digital communication can be dangerous if you use it unsafely. Next, examples of digital communication systems. First one is emailing, that is electronic mailing by the computers. Then second point, texting by the cell phones. Then online games, etc. can be used by the digital communication systems. Now coming to email. Electronic mail is often abbreviated to email. Email is a store and forward method of writing, sending, receiving and saving messages through the computers. Through the email, we can transfer the data from one point to another point. Now, texting. The common term for the sending of the short messages from mobile phones or portable devices is called texting. Texting works on the short message services, that is called the SMS. These all are the good examples of the digital communication systems. Nowadays, all the boys, kids, and almost all adults are also interested to playing the games on computers. Online games can be used by the users. Online games can be ranged from simple text-based games to games incorporating complex graphics and virtual world related by many players. Now, how do you practice good digital ethic? Treat others as you want to be treated with courtesy and respect. This includes not hacking others' computer, downloading illegally. This is the one more very important technique while using the digital communication system. Digital modulation techniques. The block diagram shows the modulation systems. First block is source, second one is source encoder, channel encoder, modulator. This is for the transmission purpose. And for the reception purpose, demodulator, channel decoder, source decoder, destination. The first block, source may be the original information can be transmitted from this block. Then the source encoded, it is the encoded and it is transmitted through the channel encoder. Channel encoder means particular path, communication path. Then modulator, which will be modulates, intermix the signals, original signal plus carrier, and it is transmitted through the again channel. At the reception end, it is demodulated. Demodulation is the process of getting original signal, and also it is passed through the channel decoder. Here the information can be decoded. Again it is goes through the source decoder. Here it is also decoded, and we are going to get the destination place, the original information we can get. The block diagram shows how the information can be transmitted from one block to other block. Compared to analog communication systems, digital communication systems plays a very important role because there is no noise, no sound, no interference, etc. will be there. Whatever the information we are going to speaking, the original information from we are getting going to get at the destination end. Now we are going to discuss regarding how the data rates, that is number of bits, can be transmitted from the one point to other point. That is, first one is channel capacity. It is designated as C, the maximum rate at which data can be transmitted over a given communication path or channel under given conditions. That is called the channel capacity. Then data rates, BPS, that is bits per second, rate at which data can be communicated, or impairments such as noise limit data is achieved, that is called the data rate. Now bandwidth is the what from lower frequency to higher frequency. What is the we are going to getting lower frequency to higher frequency? What is the limit we are going to get? That is called the bandwidth. That is the transmission medium from source to destination. Noise, it is what designated as N, that is impairments on the communication path. These are the unwanted signals, noise. Then error rate minus rate at which errors occur, it is called BR. Error means we are going to get transmit 1 or 1 and receive 0, or transmit 0 and receive 1. These are called the error rate. Reasons for choosing encoding techniques. Encoding techniques. Digital data, digital signal. Digital data and analog signal. Analog data and analog signal. Analog data in electrical form can be transmitted easily and cheaply. Example, AM radio and FM radio. In a digital data communication, the information can be transmitted in the forms of ones and zeros. What is modulation? Modulation means intermixing of two signals, that is called the modulation. That is intermixing of one original information signal plus one support carrier signal. We are going to add together and we are going to get the new added signal, that is called the modulated signal. That is, for example, in AM modulation, whatever the electrical signal is converted to is mixed with the radio frequency signals and it is transmitted through the atmosphere. It is the modulation. And while receiving end, we are going to detect the original signal. Now the figure shows the analog modulation. Signal AM amplitude modulation, then frequency modulation. Amplitude modulation, the importance should be given for the amplitude, which will be how it will be varying. Then in frequency modulation, the importance will be given for the frequency of the modulating signal. Now digital modulation and demodulation. Digital modulation, the information can be any raw bits 10, 11, 01, 001, etc. that is called the digital modulation. Then the input given to analog modulation, that is called the analog baseband signal, then which will be given to the analog modulation. Then the radio carrier is mixed with analog modulation and it is transmitted through the radio transmitter. The first block which will be shows a radio transmitter, and one more shows the radio receiver. Analog demodulation, it is the reverse process. We are going to getting the original information. Analog baseband signal which will be given to the synchronization, then the output will be 1011010001. We are going to getting the original information. Then any signal mathematically can be represented x of t equal to a cos into bracket 2 pi of t plus phi, where a is amplitude, f frequency, then phi is the phase angle of the function, phase angle. Now coming to definition of the modulation. Converting digital or analog information to a waveform suitable for a transmission over given medium. Modulation, it is called the modulation. It involves varying some parameter of a carrier wave or sinusoidal waveform at a given frequency as a function of the message. Here mathematically it is expressed. A stands for amplitude, F for frequency, one more for phase. If the information is digital, changing parameters is called keying. Example, ASK. ASK stands for amplitude shift keying, PSK stands for phase shift keying, FSK stands for frequency shift keying. Then modulation 1, that is, it is the concept of height of the antenna. Then basic schemes used amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, phase modulation, amplitude shift keying, frequency shift keying, phase shift keying. Here the examples will be given. The first figure which will be shows amplitude shift keying. It is called ASK. Change amplitude with each symbol, frequency remains constant. Low bandwidth requirements, very susceptible for interference. Frequency shift keying, changing frequency with each symbol needs bandwidth. Then PSK, it is called the phase shift keying, change phase with each symbol. It is more complex, robust against interference. The figure shows ASK, amplitude shift keying. Here on and off keying. On means it is 1, 0 means it is frequency is kept constant. Amplitude has two levels for bit 1 and 0. The figure shows with example how it is ASK, amplitude shift keying. Similar way, frequency shift keying. FSK, sine of 2 pi f1t for bit 1, sine of 2 pi f2t for bit 0. The figure shows the FSK system. It is for the concern with the phase shift PSK of t, sine of 2 pi of t for bit 1, sine of 2 pi of t plus pi for bit 0. The figure shows details regarding PSK